Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I am in one of my Wi-Fi locations, so you may hear some noise or music in the background. Just had a meeting with a business partner, and I thought I'd shoot this video for you guys. Everybody knows if you're online or offline with a brick and mortar, you must have leads, you must have customers always coming into your establishment, or if you're like us, we're online, so you must have prospects coming to your offer online. Okay, now this is one of our pages in the Power Lead System, Lead Lightning system, but I'm here to give you guys some resources for traffic. Okay, that's what today is about, resources for traffic. Okay, it's going to be a short video. Now, the page you're looking at, guys, as you can see, Backpage has been seized by the government. Okay, there's been some things going on Backpage, and they've seized it. And if you're like me, I had lots of ads on Backpage that I was constantly getting leads from, where I have set them up a long time ago, and I just kept renewing them. So Backpage is down right now, so I want to give you guys a few resources and traffic sources that you can use, and you may be already aware of, but I just want to bring it to your attention. Okay, so Backpage is down. So here's another source that you can use, guys. It's called US Free Ads, www.usfreeads.com. Okay, so you want to go there, and when you go there, you're going to click on Business Opportunities. Okay, so I'm just going to show you real quick. You click Business Opportunities, and then you will go, as you can see, here's some ads here, and you will go like Work at Home. You can just click on Work at Home and just kind of go from there. Okay, so usfreeads.com. So go there, place you some ads there. Okay, that's another source. Then of course, you know, you got Craigslist as well that you can use. And the other source is YouTube itself, which you guys are watching right now. YouTube is free. Set your free account up. Start out using just your computer, or you can use your cell phone and video yourself and get traffic coming to you, and it's free. But US Free Ads, I've used them before in the past, and I have a few ads on there as well. They have a free version, and then they have a version where you pay $9.95 a month. Okay, and you can do unlimited postings, and you can put pictures there as well. Okay, so check out US Free Ads. Then one of my other places I'm going to show you that I wasn't using before, but I recently used them over the weekend, and I was able to get 2 sales. I didn't have much success with them in the past, but I've kind of played around with it now, and I think I may have found, and you have to keep, you know, that's a part of being an entrepreneur. You have to make investments and take risks. Okay, there's no guarantees in anything, but you have to continue to market your business. So, Udimi. Check out Udimi. I'm going to show you here. You would just click Find Sellers. I've done that already, and as you can see, here's a few sellers. Let's say we wanted to, all you do is just read the reviews and just kind of read up on the person and just kind of see what they've got going on. Okay, this is a link I put in here. Alright, let's just say we wanted this person. You know, you just go through here, read the reviews up on this person, and then you would go back. As you can see right here, 213 thumbs up, and this looks like there was 4 whatever, may have been some comments someone made right there, but 213 thumbs up. Okay, well, I'm just giving you an example. Just go in here and click Find Sellers and just read the reviews. Now right here it says 200 visitors, so let's say you pick 200 visitors. Right here it shows you he's charging for 200 visitors $103. Okay, but if you want to go less, let's say you I wouldn't go lower than 100. Let's say let's see what 100 clicks would be. 100 visitors will cost you $53, guys. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. to get prospects to your website, because that's what you've got to do. You've got to get people over to your funnel. I don't know what business you may be promoting, but you need a system such as this so you can capture the leads, okay? Get the emails, and the system do the selling and telling for you. So even with you posting these ads, when you post ads here, you're going to have them go to a lead capture page. Okay, like that. And I'm going to put the Power Lead System Lead Lightning link below. But go over here, do some paid advertising. I mean, $53 is not bad at all to get 100 people over to your website. Okay? Now, we're not saying all 100 is going to opt in. Okay? Not all 100 will go there, but maybe you may get 20 or 30 people that actually put their email address in. That's 20 or 30 more than you had. So, I've found that paid advertising is the way to go. It's the way to go if you want to excel your business. Of course, if you want it to go slower, then you can do free advertising. But if you pay, you will get more prospects faster and quicker and build your business faster. Okay? So, check out Udimi. I'm going to put my link below for that. And if you have any questions, you can give me a call. Okay? But here's some, sources for you, traffic sources, US free ads. You can go to Craigslist, and then you can go to Udimi, paid traffic. Okay? So, there you have it. Back page is shut down. You won't be using that. Who knows how long that's going to be. Okay? But just wanted to bring that to your attention if you wasn't aware of it. Alright, guys? Alright, that's all I've got for you today. I want to keep it short, but wanted to give you some sources that you can use to get some traffic going. Okay? In your business. Alright? You guys have a blessed day. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like the video. And reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer those, okay? Thanks for tuning in. You guys have a blessed day.